All right, welcome back to the channel. So this is just a small update to the project that I'm doing right now. And this is just going to show you where I'm at so far and also a few changes into my organization of Lego, organizing my Lego. So right now I did a white line right here just to represent all around where the lobby level is going to be. Everything else is going to be garage, warehouses, what have you. So it's going to be good. And then right here, I started making my shelves for storing the Lego sets because this is going to be a Lego distribution center. So Lego distribution center down here, and up here is going to be the garage that will be able to have two of the Lego trucks. In the back right here, it's going to be similar, but not Lego related. It's going to be a different business, if you will. So it's going to be good. So this is what we have here. A little forklift down there, so that's going to be moving at some point. Um, Yoda is keeping security here. He's the security guard for the time being. There we go. All right. So this is very, very quick. So it's not a huge update. There's not a lot that got done, simply because I had to skip 1 month of buying pieces because I ended up buying a 3D printer right here. So I ended up getting the Bamboo Lab A1 with the combo. So this is what I got. And the combo right here works really, really good. Right now I only have one color. I did order quite a few colors that's coming this week, but right now it's only gray. And I tested just to make sure. If you have one roll that's almost empty, if you put in another roll, it's going to automatically take it from the other roll once the first roll is empty. So for example, this one here is almost done. If I add a second row, a second one right here, it will pick up that one automatically. Just if you run out, basically, which is awesome. Don't have to do it manually. The other option would have been to have one at the top right here above the printer, but you only have one color and you have to manually switch it, which I did not want to do. People have those little, they're printing these fancy poop buckets right here. I just made my own. It doesn't have to be fancy as long as it works. So right now I had that, duct tape that to the little container, and it works fine. So I'm not going to make it pretty. So here we go. I have one more roll of gray down here. And I've got, I think, 3 black ones, 1 red, 1 white, and 1 yellow coming. So figure out what kind of project I'm doing. So we'll show you definitely in the next videos when I actually make it. Okay, so for sorting, this is what I tried. So right now, these little drawers, they're 2 sections connected together, and I can fit, I can have 8 compartments, so 8 different pieces in one drawer. The drawer is 15 inches long because I needed that. So I have the Kallax unit, the cube shelving. And what I plan to do is make a frame out of Lego and have these drawers slide in. So I need, I'll be able to fit, if it works, I'll be able to fit 35 of these drawers um, in the cube, 15 inches deep. So that means 35 drawers with 8 compartments potentially. Obviously, they're not going to have all 8 because, as you can see, this one here has a lot of pieces, this one as well, so they're only using 2. But it gives the potential of having up to 8 per drawers, 35 drawers per cube. And I have a 6 feet by 6 feet, so that's 5 by 5 cubes. So that's a potential. If I'm not going to do the whole thing, but uh, I could potentially do 700 drawers in those cubes. So it kind of gives you an idea if you're running a Bricklink store, maybe this is a solution for you. Just have something like this. The drawers are longer. They can fit a lot more pieces, and they're custom. to the exact size that you need, and it works really, really well. So these ones are 56 millimeters wide, just to give you an idea. So I'm gonna build my frame, put in my drawers, and I'm gonna do a video down the road just to show you what it looks like. Okay, so next solution for sorting slash organizing is these little drawers here, or not really drawers, they're more like trays, but they're stackable. So these are stackable trays. So we're gonna do that, and you can store a lot of pieces in it. Do that and store more pieces. That one's deeper. I made it bigger. The smaller ones fit on top of the big one, but the big one does not fit on top of the small one, just because when I made this one taller, it also made the gap at the bottom taller. But it works fine because I did want to put the bigger one at the bottom anyway. So there you go. I can just stack them like that, and I can just bring the whole thing and just go do some work, I guess. So that's the second storage right there. The third storage I went with is this thing here. So as you can tell, there's multiple sections, and these sections are removable. So if I wanted, for example, to put these tiny ones right here in there, so I can do that, and then do this, and there you go, it's compatible. If I wanted to, remove all of this, for example, take all of this out, and then switch it, and I just want to do this instead. There we go. I'll do that. And do this. There we go. And we'll put the last one right here. Come on. It should work perfectly. There you go. All right, so now you can have it like that. And if you say, well, I don't want this big one here either, you take it out. That's the big one. And you put these right here and right there. There you go. And if you want to make all the same, you just take that out and add the last one. So now we got, all of these right now ready to go. So for that one, I have to thank Tiago. So he made this for the Alex units. I decided to make mine thinner, and mine will have a different purpose. Mine will be used for sorting Lego as opposed to storing Lego. So I'm going to make a few more of these, and I'm going to use that to sort and part out sets. So that's my purpose. But Tiago, very good idea, very awesome design. So thank you for that. So this is pretty much what I'm at so far. I'm going to test other ones. These are just like tests, but these ones I'm for sure going to go with. I'm going to create 35 of these. These I think I'm done right now. I might do more later, some bigger ones, but they use a lot of filament, so maybe stay away from these ones for now. These ones are pretty good actually. Less filament, I can do more with it, so I'm probably going to do more of that one. So that's pretty much the update so far. So as you can tell, this is my Lego room slash printer room now. And you would think, oh my God, he's got a house and this is like his room. No, it's not. This is my apartment. So this is where I live. So this is my Lego project, my computer area, TV, printer, and the LED lighting at the very top. There you go. So this is where I'm at so far. So if you have any comments, if you have any questions, suggestions, definitely leave them in the comment below, and I do reply to all of them. I appreciate it. Just tell me what you want to see in the next videos, and I'll definitely get on those. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely do so. I plan on making a lot more videos. It's going to be a lot of Lego and also storage for my Lego, actually. So that's it. Thank you very much.